que vous allez voir, c'est un avocat qui se fait arrêter dans sa propre salle d'audience. Pas par accident, pas par erreur, mais par choix. Un choix qui a été fait sur des années et une attitude qui n'a jamais été contredite, sauf aujourd'hui, car tout le monde en a marre.
I am frustrated that your client is not here. Do not interrupt the court again.
Yes, ma'am.
I am frustrated that your client is not here. I am frustrated to know that there's an outstanding warrant for her.
Ici, donc, le problème, c'est que l'accusé n'est pas venu aujourd'hui. Et donc, son avocat trans a trouvé la bonne idée de dire que c'était à cause d'un problème post-traumatique, trop de stress pour elle d'aller au tribunal, car elle est pas bien dans sa tête. Et lui, en tant que personne transsexuelle, car il affirme être une femme, il demande donc au juge de comprendre que sa cliente est en souffrance, et donc que l'argument qu'elle ne soit pas là est même en leur faveur, car la pauvre. Mais la juge, elle, n'en croit rien. Et elle perd patience.
I don't know. And I am frustrated to learn today when you said she wants to file an ADA request, which most likely will be granted. We'll have to look at it to see. After this case has been pending and set twice for hearing. Why now? Or is that just being brought up?
Well, I'll tell you why. I've got another case out in Grady County where a pro se victim of domestic violence filed one and it was granted. I have never filed one before in my practice. It's a new thing that I think perhaps many attorneys might need to look into when people are victims of domestic violence and don't want to face their abuser. Now, Mr. Whaley is not an alleged perpetrator. I didn't get to finish my thought.
My question was, if I didn't make it clear, why have you not filled out an ADA request on behalf of your client prior to bringing it up?
I was explaining that. Didn't even know that you could do so.
Well,
I know now.
You know now?
Yes, ma'am.
It's a simple form. I think it can be obtained from our court clerk's
No,
office
ma'am, it cannot.
downstairs. Yes, we have that form here in the Pontotoc County.
Well, then the
District
Pontotoc
Court.
County is way more advanced than where I practice primarily, and I appreciate that.
So, you need to go down and get that form before you
I've
leave the
already got
building
one.
today.
I've already got one ready to go and filed.
Make sure it comports with the
Yes,
form that
ma'am.
we use here in Pontotoc
We'll do so.
County.
Yes, ma'am. Thank
I'm
you.
sorry, can you wait until...
Yes, of
Thank you.
course.
Tout a l'air de se calmer pour le moment. Jusqu'à présent, il a à moitié admis qu'il a un peu triché, c'est-à-dire que, comme sa cliente n'était pas là, il a décidé de remplir un document comme quoi elle était handicapée à cause de son traumatisme pour excuser son retard, alors qu'en fait, elle voulait juste pas venir. Un avocat qui ment, c'est pas super. Un avocat qui ment et qui insiste en plus, c'est encore moins super.
Testimony on behalf of my client. You asked me what paragraph it was. I pointed you to the exact paragraph.
Stop.
It's her education.
Stop.
Stop because you don't want to hear
Oh,
what the
stop!
argument is.
Stop! You interrupt me one more time, you are being held in direct contempt of court, and
Yes,
you can
ma'am.
wipe that smirk off
I don't
your
have a
face.
smirk on my face.
Oh, yes, you do.
I do not.
I am not going to tolerate this from you, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Fill out the request, get the form from our court clerk's office on the second floor, make sure it comports with what you've got already, get it filed, mailed in, whatever you need to do, let us assess her request.
Et là, la juge lui donne une chance de se rattraper, d'aller faire les papiers correctement, de prouver qu'elle a vraiment un problème qui lui permet d'être absente. Et c'est là qu'il va faire une grave erreur.
My client's not seen her child. There is no order in this court, and there's been no jurisdiction found that this court has jurisdiction over this child who has never lived in your county.
You just
Never
interrupted
lived.
again. You
I did
just
not. There was a pause. There was a break. I wasn't done with my argument.
And I was not done with my statement. You interrupted again. Do not throw your...
I did not throw. It fell off the bench. Please stop stating things that are not true, ma'am.
Sir, you've got a room full of witnesses.
I do.
You're
I put it down. I did. I put it down and it fell down. I did not fall.
Then settle down.
I'm not upset and I'm not arguing. You're not letting me make an argument. I'm not red in the face, ma'am. I'm not.
Stop. Our court reporter cannot get what we're both saying.
I am trying to make my argument. You interrupted my argument halfway through
This
on
is
an
a panic button
objection.
that will get every available deputy in
Yes, ma'am,
Common
I'm
County.
aware. It's happened to
You're
me before.
interrupting.
Info intéressante ici, il avoue déjà avoir eu des problèmes avec la police au tribunal et après vérification, effectivement, il a déjà eu beaucoup de plaintes dans le passé. Mais jusqu'à présent, il a toujours été relâché et il continue ses fonctions. Mais aujourd'hui, ça va s'arrêter.
Interrupting. It has.
Yes.
Because you're out of line
Yeah,
with court.
I guess so.
Okay. If I push that
Or maybe
button,
because I'm a transgender attorney practicing all over the state.
I don't know what you are.
You do, ma'am. It's not, you do.
I don't know whether
You do,
you're
ma'am. You do.
transgender,
You
other
do.
than you have just now advised me,
ma'am,
and
you
that
do.
doesn't have
You do.
anything to do
It's
with
happened when we
anything.
talked on the phone.
That wasn't talking, let me tell you. You were entirely inappropriate.
You were yelling
were
at
so
me and I did
bad.
not even know you were the judge.
And I didn't know you from Adam.
I
at
said,
that
my name
point.
is Rob Hopkins. I'm
Which
an
doesn't
attorney
mean
in
anything.
Oklahoma City.
No, sir, you did not.
Okay,
Okay?
there's no one there to know that, right?
Okay. So we are pausing this until you get the ADA request form filled out and it gets processed.
So we're going to pause the hearing on jurisdiction that's been set twice. I drove an hour and a half to have the hearing. My client's available telephonically. And we are simply not even taking testimony.
Is your client available telephonically?
Yes, ma'am.
today?
Yes, ma'am.
Well, then get her on the phone.
Thank you.
Your Honor, to which we would object. This is as clear as the nose on my face that this woman will not appear before this court because she has a warrant for stealing.
Et là, l'avocat de la défense, très intelligent, a compris que l'autre avocat était très instable et il a décidé de le taquiner un peu pour bien lui faire monter la pression et lui faire faire une erreur.
She has a warrant for stealing.
Objection,
her children from another
hearsay. That's
court.
not true. And you're ready
You
to
will
say,
find, sir,
don't
that you
look at
cannot
me and stare
over me.
or shout at me.
I'm not putting it on there.
No, we're stopping.
Get out of my face,
I've been doing it for a
sir.
long
Get out of
time.
my face, sir.
You may step
Get out
out.
of my face.
You should leave this county.
Get out of my face. Get out of my
These
face.
people are my friends, and you're being ugly.
And get out of my face.
Put your hands behind your back.
Why?
Because you're in direct contempt of court. and I'm
He
taking
shouted
it.
at me. No, I'm not being, you did not even say that I was in
You are
contempt.
in direct.
No, I'm not
Judge,
calling
I
my stuff.
apologize, but I felt very threatened by this person.
Ma'am,
Not
put your
the
stuff in
screaming and the yelling in court, I've never even heard that before in this courtroom.
Wait.
Do not hurt me. Do not hurt me.
Put your hands behind your back.
Do not. Are you throwing me over
Stop
this?
resisting.
I'm not resisting.
Okay, put your hands behind your back, stop resisting.
You know exactly what's
Why
happening.
don't you all walk that way so you
I can't walk. I'm being thrown down.
Just stop, settle down, walk that way.
Go.
Settle down. Do not grab me. Do not grab me. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? You're hurting me. You're hurting me. You just kicked me. You just kicked me. Don't kick me. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
Put your hands behind
I
your back.
cannot breathe. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
Bon, en réalité, il fait un cinéma pas possible. Bien sûr qu'il peut respirer, sinon il pourrait pas dire « je ne peux pas respirer ». D'ailleurs, tout le monde se moque un peu de lui autour et tout le monde essaye d'aider les policiers. Hein.
I can't breathe. I can't move. Somebody call 911. Please. 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 Please.
Maybe secure.
Ow! 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 Ow!
officer. Congratulations.
Somebody call 911! Somebody call 911! Somebody call.
I got your phone now. All right, we're gonna pick you up. Roll on yourself.
No, I don't. Get a female officer now! Get a female officer now! Get a female officer
There
now!
aren't any. Come on.
I can't get up, I can't see! He just threw my glasses! I can't see! Give me my glasses!
They're banned.
Put them on my face!
No.
Put them on my face, I cannot see!
Sit up. Go.
Please give me my glasses, I cannot see! I'm not trying to walk and I cannot see! I need my wallet!
Thanks, Robert. Thanks, guys.
I'm trying to walk, please!
Thanks, right, Judge.
Voilà ce qui arrive quand vous avez joué la victime toute votre vie et qu'un jour ça vous rattrape.